where it's really yellow looking, the grass? Go right below the road. Right there, there's a fucking elk right there. So then, from that one, go up above the road.
Yeah, laying down. All right, so we just spotted a couple elk, a couple inches that way. They're bedded down, so we're pretty confident in saying that they're gonna be there after we hike over to them. So we're gonna get hiking that way and see if we can put a stock on them. All right, let's get to it. Yep, unsuccessful. And we are heading our way back to the truck now. Got about a 2.5 hour hike up out of here back to the truck. After about 3 hours, finally made it back to the truck. Time to get off this mountain, although it is extremely beautiful. Walking out and got within 25 yards of this nice little buck. Huh. Yeah. Well, been walking for about 2 hours now, hiking up and out of here. Got about half an hour more before we're finally back to the truck. And then another hour to drive back home. So hopefully, been walking since about 7 this morning. So hopefully we get back a little soon, because I'm pretty tired. Action. Well, had some trouble at the beginning of the day. Saw a couple, missed a couple shots, and then started hiking back to the truck. And as we were hiking back to the truck, we were lucky enough to see a couple cows on the ridge line and got in position. Was able to get a good shot on this cow. Really happy to be able to harvest this animal. It's Thanksgiving. It's about 4 o'clock, would you say? Yeah. So I'm just very thankful on a good day and ended the right way. All right, day 2. Been up since about 6 this morning. Hot horses, got them all saddled up, so we're ready to head back. Got about a 3-hour ride into where the elk's at, so we can bone it out, and then 3-hour ride back, and should be a good day. So let's get to it.
All right.
Got her all packed up, boned out and everything on the horses, so now we're just getting ready to hike out.
You got anything to say?
Let's get out of here.
Go.
What? Oh. Well, I just got back to the truck, which is nice because I'm tired and sore and ready to be done for the day. But, had a good day overall. You know, saw a bunch of elk, so that was cool. Couldn't quite get a good shot off on a bull, but that's what next year's for. So all in all, it was a good year.